Are you looking for the secret to youthful vitality and radiant skin? Look no further than the power of nature's bounty. In this video, we'll explore the best anti-aging fruits that can help you turn back the clock and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. Fruit is not only nature's sweet treat, but it's also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can combat the signs of aging from within. So, let's dive into the world of anti-aging fruits and discover the delicious, youthful wonders they hold. What are anti-aging fruits? Anti-aging fruits are a category of fruits that are typically rich in antioxidants, nutrients, healthy fats, and water. These fruits can help moisturize the skin, make it supple and youthful, and reverse visible signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation. Therefore, eating healthy foods, especially fresh fruits, has been a time-tested mantra for healthy skin. But associating it with anti-aging fruits can make your task easier. Here are the best fruits for skin. 1. Oranges. Best antioxidant fruits for skin? Orange tops the chart. Citrus fruits are a powerful source of nutrition, especially vitamin C. One medium-sized orange daily provides 130% of your daily vitamin C needs. This benefits the skin in the following ways. Vitamin C plays an important role in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structural support to the skin. The high antioxidant content fights free radicals in the body. This reduces DNA damage and slows the aging process. The citric acid in oranges helps prevent acne and pimples. Fibrous orange peel helps remove blackheads. Citric acid reduces skin pigmentation and promotes lighter skin tone. Vitamin C is a natural astringent. It tightens skin pores and improves skin texture. The high water content in oranges moisturizes the skin. Vitamin E in oranges protects the skin from harmful sunlight. 2. Watermelon. The fibrous, red-colored fruit contains approximately 92% water. This keeps the skin fresh and well moisturized. It also contains high amounts of vitamins and minerals that slow down the aging process and improve overall skin texture. Benefits of watermelon for the skin include vitamin C, glutathione, and lycopene, found in abundant quantities in watermelon, are powerful antioxidants. It counteracts the effect of free radicals and slows down the skin aging process. Vitamin C reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamins A and B help maintain an even texture. Lycopene helps prevent tissue damage in the skin. Lycopene helps protect the skin from sun damage, reducing skin redness and erythema caused by exposure to UV rays. Glutathione, an antioxidant found in watermelon, has skin-lightening properties. The high water content in watermelon keeps the skin moisturized and elastic. 3. Mango. Mango is not only the king of fruits, it is also one of the best anti-aging fruits. The yellow-polled fruit contains abundant amounts of vitamins A, E, C, and other nutrients that have great benefits for the skin. These include vitamin C found in mango is important for collagen production. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, reducing the effect of free radicals, which slows down the aging process. Vitamin A stimulates collagen production in aging skin and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin B6 reduces sebum production, making the skin less oily. Potassium hydrates skin cells, keeping the skin hydrated. Magnesium reduces acne outbreaks. Vitamin E is important for moisturizing the skin, keeping it soft, supple, and youthful. Beta-carotene protects the skin from infections and harmful toxins. Mangoes are also rich in alpha-hydroxy acids that help remove dead skin cells. Mangoes are high in antioxidants and phytochemicals that help reduce signs of premature aging. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious and juicy fruit that gives amazing benefits to the skin. It is a tropical fruit and hence one of the best anti-aging fruits in India. It contains large amounts of vitamins such as A, C, and K, in addition to a group of vital minerals to maintain healthy, glowing skin and reduce signs of aging. Benefits of pineapple include the B vitamins in pineapple fight free radicals to keep the skin young and youthful. Pineapple is a rich source of potassium which helps in the development of new skin cells. Vitamin C present in pineapple promotes collagen production. It contains a high percentage of antioxidants that prevent skin damage caused by free radicals. Pineapple is rich in bromelain enzymes that help exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin. Bromelain enzymes also inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria. 5. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This preserves water because apples are fruits that contain many nutrients and vitamins that protect the body from many health conditions. Here are the benefits of apples for the skin. Apples are rich in vitamins A, B-complex and C. It helps the skin by eliminating pathogens and excess oils. This also helps correct uneven skin tone. Apples are rich in vitamin C. It is a powerful antioxidant that reduces the effect of free radicals. It also boosts collagen production. The nutrients in apples are important for keeping active acne, blemishes, and dark spots under control. The high water content in apples helps moisturize the skin. The nutrients in apples help reduce eye puffiness and dark circles. It is also an effective way to reduce age-related skin pigmentation. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are one of the most delicious berries. They are also among the healthiest. The fruit contains a range of nutrients that have powerful anti-aging properties. Benefits of strawberries for the skin include: strawberries are a rich source of alpha-hydroxy acid, also known as salicylic acid. This has a strong exfoliating effect. It contains a lot of vitamin C, which improves collagen production. The alpha-hydroxy acid exfoliates the area to drain the lymph nodes. This helps reduce puffiness around the eyes. Strawberries have skin lightening properties that help lighten the skin. Its high vitamin C content lightens dark spots, making the skin look radiant and radiant. Its high anti-inflammatory properties reduce skin inflammation. 7. Sweet potatoes. The orange color of sweet potatoes comes from an antioxidant called beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A. Vitamin A may help restore skin elasticity, promote skin cell turnover, and ultimately contribute to smooth, youthful-looking skin. This delicious root vegetable is also a great source of vitamins C and E, both of which may protect our skin from harmful free radicals and keep our skin radiant. 8. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate has been used for centuries as a therapeutic medicinal fruit. High in vitamin C and a variety of powerful antioxidants, pomegranates may protect the body from free radical damage and reduce levels of inflammation in our system. This healthy fruit also contains a compound called punicalagins, which may help preserve collagen in the skin, slowing down signs of aging. I will leave you a playlist related to aging and the best foods and tips for healthy aging. I advise you to watch it. Skin health is a reflection of overall health. Natural aging leads to depletion of collagen levels, but cosmetics, nutritional supplements, and health foods can slow this process. The foods you eat are especially important for nourishing healthy, youthful skin. A category of fruits called anti-aging fruits provides the necessary nutrition to support healthy skin. This fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals that boost collagen production and help slow the effects of aging. But it's important to remember that healthy skin is usually the result of a team effort that includes a healthy, balanced diet and regular exercise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. It really helps me out and it's free. See you next time.